But still a young nigga survive. But fuck it, I gotta provide. Take up my people along for the ride. Mom and wife, too young, gotta do this shit so she can retire.
Hey, bust that bitch out, man.
Here's a video, man. We out here with the guys, man. We got DJ, Jihad.
So them boys didn't do from up here. Traditional didn't do.
Catch everything. Can we leave with Jason Tatum in it? I'm just gonna put a bomb in the lead. All the fish will come up. My mom.
Ew.
You proud?
Man, this nigga said, ew.
You proud, bro?
Nigga,
This your 12th fish of the day, huh?
No, this my 10 one.
10-1?
Fuck no, this bitch high as fuck today.
You already know King Fisherman out there. I know how to do this shit. Let's go react, son.
It got me out my element. Fucking right. It's great spin it. Play the clip. What's your name? Caught, bro?
I caught a fucking
A shark?
and a mermaid.
A mermaid?
I threw him back there.
What you caught, bro? What you caught, bro?
That's, man, a speckle trout, man. It's over there in the fucking.
Let me go see. Let me see. What we got in here? Oh, alright. We got 2 fish. We got 2 fish and 3 of the niggas out here. What you caught, bro? 0? Jason Tatum?
Come on, man.
We got one right here. I caught that shit at 4K.
Well, you see what that bitch hooked that boy?
Caught that shit at 4K. They was on the same one.
That I got caught on this shit. Speckle, man. You know how we do it, baby. Speckle trout. Stop playing.
It's another fish.
You need to suck another nigga dick just to make pay attention. I was really fried. Put that shit back. That's not edible. What the? Bro, this dude sunny here. I ain't lying, this one edible. You can. I about like fucking hate you, cuz. I'll blood it around for him and handle it.
Take it off, John. The camera on, take it off.
I can't even show this shit. I was in my hand for.
Let me see your hand. What's wrong with your hand? Take it off.
Bro, my hand.
Let John take it off.
I ain't even catch this. I'm taking another nigga fish off.
No, man. I got him.
Crook it back, bro. Yeah, throw that crook it back, man.
That bitch got one.
Throw that crook it back.
Got you one, though, bitch. Gotta throw that back.
I thought the way you were putting that in with that one.
That bitch mad. Pat Mahomes with that one. Man, you gotta hop in that water. Catch it with your bare hands like the with a spiff.
What is that?
Come here. Get out the way.
What is the ring? Fucking speck. Look at that fucking speck, man. Look at that fucking speck, man. What the fuck? That's girthy. Man, that's fucking healthy. We got to do turn them up, double up. Damn.
Fuck. That bitch Jared still setting his pool. Oh, you setting his shit? Come on, man. You can't be that pretty, bro. That nigga get the fish and say, yeah. You proud?
This nigga said, ew.
You again, bro?
Come here.
Again, bro?
Fucking king.
Again, bro?
King, man. I'm on fire.
You gonna go over there?
Nigga don't got no shit. I've been flooded.
Yeah.
Ouch. Okay.
I'm gonna edit out the other fish. I'm gonna edit out the other fish.
Yeah, right. No fucking shit. Cheat that bitch. You too funny, huh? Come on, my nigga.
Well, I ain't gonna take that fish out. It's your fish.
You take fish off. No, I don't.
That's what I'm talking about. Jared said give him the fish.
What we acting like? Let me see. Scared.
You said y'all think y'all should be fishing. Y'all can't take no fish out, man.
Hey.
What you say? Oh, all right. I ain't taking nobody fish out. Fake. If you caught it. Let me see. Let me see. He on the phone smiling.
Yeah, he just getting a piece of this. He just warming up for tomorrow.
Oh, warming up for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Call him one. Throw it at him.
Look like a fish somebody caught already.
Mm-hmm. That cash, watch that cash. Pay Mahomes.
Right there.
Too bad the 49ers garbage this shit.
No.
Yes, sir. Fuck the 49.
Too bad they're gonna be garbage.
Yeah, I gotta watch this.
Yeah, you seen how the Seahawks
Hey, I ain't lying. Seahawks were good for him, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Hold it up!
hell yeah.
Seahawks Nation, bitch.
Hold on.
We talk about it stay wherever I go.
Nigga, what?
It stay wherever I go.
Seahawk Nation,
Stay
nigga.
wherever I go.
Why we supposed to win the second one? That's why.
They was due to go there. But I ain't lying. You realize. Hey, y'all know something about them Niners, though. Y'all know we gonna make our way back in there.
At least you ain't like them sorry ass Cowboys.
Oh, no. We'll count.
Them sorry ass Cowboys.
Forgot the high.
Sorry ass Cowboys. Saints fans too.
I don't know how y'all say
You got him a quarterback, dude. You got him. He started turning up at the end of the year.
because everybody stopped giving a fuck about
I
that.
ain't lying, bro. Everybody that passed up on Shador Sanders was fucking fool. Stupid as fuck. But you gotta think about it, bro. Nobody Deion Sanders. A black young man, he daddy Deion Sanders. Boy, nigga don't want to see you.
They want to tie the shit.
You should have took Shador, bro. Roll the dice with Deion.
You won the fifth round. Alright, man. What we got, bro?
Oh man, good ass day, bro. Ice chest full, man. Oh my god, y'all can see them things, man. Look at these things, man. Oh my god, Jesus. Y'all see it?
Yeah, my hats right now.
The three of my
I cut 2 speckles.
Bro, why y'all can't celebrate? Y'all just screaming and handsome, bro.
Hey, what you caught, bro? What you caught, bro?
2 Krugers.
Come on, man. What you caught, your man?
At least about 10 of them.
Shit, you already know, bro. Get back to y'all. Catch and cook. What you caught, bro? What you caught, bro? I ain't gonna get back to y'all when we catch and cook. My mom.
I see this moving. I'm on all that.
No.
Do a shoe pick.
No, that nigga took cut the head off.
Cut the head. Shit, that's how I be doing it.
Shoe pick and cut his head off and you fillet it.
Bro, no, you take the
That's a
knife
crow.
and you cut down and you roll it from the back. You supposed to have a
I'll
tailbone in the boot. No, bro, that's not how you do that shit.
Yeah.
What's the difference when you cut
What
the
you
head
mean?
off?
Alright, I want to see you fillet that bitch now. Fillet it and get the meat off and take the tail back.
That look like a crow. Oh, you don't want
That's a croaker.
That's a Kroger. That's a Kroger to do. That's a Kroger.
Yeah.
That's a Kroger. That look like one. Man, no, this is not. This is a speckled trout. I have a speckle. That's a speck right there. That is just, it got a fucking teeth. It got one teeth right there.
I'm about to show y'all.
Yeah,
I'm about to show y'all how to do that shit.
I will show y'all, but you know.
I don't
You retired, bro?
I don't want y'all fucking meat up.
I ain't even gonna clean the fish, bro.
Wow, I'll be fucking if I touch a fish. I don't even take it off the hook when I catch one.
Bro, play the clip. Gossip.
When you take that bitch, take it down like that, cut down. Until you feel the bone right there. Like whenever you get down to the bone, all you doing is just flipping the knife like this. Take that bitch and go straight down.
This fucking meat
she
is
look.
so soft.
Like that. So you get that bitch all the way
You
down
got a
like
good
that.
knife. I'm gonna tell you how to do it.
I just cleaned it. They had the knife before me.
I ain't like this meat soft. What is it?
See how you get that bitch like that? Soon as you come back, you see this?
You can cut the head off and do it still, dude. Just don't cut it.
I mean, you just gotta be good enough to do it. I mean, if you gonna do that, you gotta
Really,
be
if you
good.
cut the head off, all you gotta do is just
Bro,
lay it
if
like
you
right
gonna
on
cut-
top of the bone right there. And just that man.
It's not like I'm
Right,
saying.
get it.
I don't like doing it with the head on. I
Yeah.
take the head off.
Fucking meat just soft as a bitch.
That God damn! Oh my goodness! It's a nice knife right there. You see, turn around in the stomach. Right on the stomach, you go. Oh, yeah. That was nice.
Nice, man. Real exposition.
All you gonna do is just cut down, feel till you feel the bone, bam, swipe back. But got some cut in this thing. Pissed. That's easy, bro. That's not bad.
Yeah, bro. Last fish video, we couldn't do it because we want to let the fish go. But, look at it. Behind the scenes, bro. Oh, shit. See that bit right there, cold? My nigga. Excuse me, bro.
Same old. Shit. You know. Can't get enough seasoning. We black as fuck. Was good. Yeah, that been the police. That been quick 6 the police.
Got Jerry right there in the cut.
That bitch J3 too shiesty. My nigga J3. I swear. Nigga said we don't be outside. Tell niggas be saying. Niggas be tripping on me.
If you ain't sneezing, you ain't season.
On game. On game. Swear. Hey, I'm about to after this, I don't want. They gonna do me like Aspen.
They gonna cancel you?
Yeah.
Yeah, that in the clip.
Yeah, I say cut that bit off camera. They gonna get it though.
Had a whole wrestling match.
Tripping, bro, like tripping.
Hey, relax.
Hey, them two. Hey, having dogs like having kids, bro. I swear, people don't understand that. That's why I don't want no children right now.
I mean, this is a fair fight.
Not fair. Dude, if Diva was really for real, Diva mess with him, son. He's smaller. He's smaller. That was Nala.
I never met all of you before.
Bro, yeah.
Them bitches are shit. I skipped them, by the way. Yeah, it's me.
Hello.
What you did?
It's me.
What you did? Take a tip.
But yeah, man, you see what's going on, man. We the season brings up. About to go, you know, get to
Trying to go throw them bitches on the grill.
Time, get the time. I'm waiting on my honey. Bro,
You gotta eat 6 crackers in a minute for 100.
I ain't been there. Y'all gotta bet me 100 back. Let me get the stick though. I'm gonna do it though.
I'm gonna put everything on there.
Who do you think you is?
Huh? Hey, come on.
Chef Bar 3.
You gonna have it right now?
You gonna shoot me? What the fuck you need? You acting like my woman. Fuck you. I told you we ain't that yet.
Like you bitch to you. You ready?
Boy, that ain't nothing.
Wait. Oh yeah.
Boy,
3,
that ain't shit.
2, go. Go. You still got. What the fuck?
Cuz.
Right here, give it to me.
Let me do it, bro.
Are you ain't doing it?
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Get him for the DJ. That's not the time.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
That nigga is hungry.
You can have fuck. Give me the phone, man.
I'm like a killer.
Give me 4 more.
Bro, I can do that, bro.
Nigga, this shit killed, bro. On my mama.
Hey, whatever you don't eat, give it to Jahad, bro. And he gonna
Nigga,
try.
I'm about to swallow
I'ma
all this
try, bro.
one.
Don't always nothing on the ground.
I'm
Can't
not-
get no water. Alright. 3, 2, 1. No water. Watch out. Don't say that. You just spit. Nah, that shit, boy. Don't do that. Why? Do that. Alright. 45 seconds.
You chewing for 40 seconds?
That nigga that boy trying to swallow. He just trying to swallow. That nigga just
How you doing?
30 seconds. 30 seconds. Stick it on the tooth.
You can't do that.
He spit on this dude.
I'll give you the honey.
He spit all the crackers on the high, cuz.
Y'all gotta stop, man. I can do whatever easy. On both sides.
That nigga spit you it.
Yeah, 5.
That nigga bullshit.
50 for you. 50. Alright.
That's it.
That's 5.
For me, go one, bro.
One more in there.
Bro, y'all gotta stop that. Bro, it's doable. Jai.
It's doable for me.
Jai, I swear. It's 5.
I know it's 5.
Listen,
That's 6 right there.
Listen, Jai, watch how easy it is, but you're not gonna,
Yeah,
they're gonna make you laugh, bro. You're not gonna be able to do it.
Nobody don't say nothing.
Nigga, it's easy. Watch. All right, come on.
It's easy for me.
On my mom, it's easy.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
You lost it.
Go ahead, nigga. You wasting time. You wasting time. Don't say how you wasting time, bro.
He lost. He spit some out.
Just chill. You got 3 crackers left. That bitch over
45 seconds.
Nigga, I still.
45 seconds.
Cause y'all, you got 3 crackers left. This bitch on 30 seconds.
Bullshit ass.
He not gonna worry about the timer.
30 seconds.
Still, bro.
Wow.
Oh, I can do that, bro.
So you really just want to Hey, I swear to God, it's still, bro.
Yeah, still them bitches just dry.
I ain't do it.
Oh my mom, body is
Let me see.
crazy.
Let me see. Give me one.
Nigga, eat that shit, bro. I'm telling you, I'm a more buy them bitches. That's why I know I can do it. Cut them fucking thing balled up in my mouth, cause it's not even fucking edible. Put up little water.
That been out
No
there.
water. Why?
Cause the one I'm mobile don't do that shit.
Your mobile saltine, that's not saltine.
No, bro. Saltine, that's just salty one. That's the good bitches that with salt.
Nigga, they
bro. I
got
know
salt on them. Nigga, the salt gonna dry your mouth out. That's why you can't do it, bro.
You wanna try?
Oh, God.
They say
You use your spit.
You wanna try?
You would put, you would put
Come on, try it.
you want in your mouth. That shit gonna make it.
let me see what it is. I'm gonna go to the store. I'm gonna go to the store and buy the bitches that come in. We go bet it.
I ain't lying, brother. It's doable. Nobody can laugh, bro.
Come on, man.
Oh, shit, I don't want to get y'all niggas serious.
Come on, man. I can do that shit.
Not in no man.
No, we put it through the bottom.
I said though.
Bro, still, you could just hit it.
It went up.
Tremendous, you could just hit it.
She up about 30 right now. What the fuck? It's down.
I did go
You
down.
went up this way.
Nigga, I went down. What the fuck?
It's down, bro. But you can try though. You ready?
Go right.
What it is?
Right.
What it is? It's down, right?
Yeah, down right.
Chill.
Down right, bro. Go right.
Up
Down.
Down this way. No. Damn, too man. Tabby, you fucking ass. Nigga said this nigga twice and you sued.
I looked at the camera.
Go one more fucking camera.
Help me! Motivate me!
I'm juicing, my nigga. I'm juicing. Come on.
Nigga go up again, my nigga. God damn, come on.
Cut the camera.
This nigga keep going up. Oh, man.
Yeah, with a perfect look to the camera. Perfect look to the camera.
Nigga, my turn.
What the fuck?
It's a reflex, bro.
Nigga says the
That nigga spam up. That nigga next up.
But you can try though.
up, down.
That way.
Up.
That way. That way. That way.
You like it?
That nigga, oh my god.
He killed. Man, no 3v2 us.
Come on, just let me finish him.
For sure.
Up that way?
Yeah, it's up there.
Man, boy. It's my turn to start. We go about to fuck over you. It's right.
What is this dude with a funny guy?
Nigga bust that bitch ain't.
I'm trying to go whatever.
Oh.
Hey, delete that.
I got it, my turn. Yeah.
Get the get back to man. Yup. So. Come on, man. You know, get back. Get back. You know shit. Right there.
You cheating, bro.
You do the same. He went that way. He went that way. So this we don't mean whatever. Oh, that way. Oh, down. Stupid. Smack the fuck out of him. Smack the fuck out of him.
Oh, he ain't go. He ain't go.
I did this before you even did the move, bro. Is that what turn? Is that what turn?
It's this way, huh?
Yeah, this way.
That way. It's this way, that way?
No, it's that way. This way. Just that way. He ain't good.
Oh,
my God.
I knew what to do right here.
Come on. Me and my team ain't busting ass. Nigga, me and my team ain't busting ass.
You serious, bro?
Bro.
That nigga hit it. Come on. Personal now.
It's down.
Yeah. Personal now.
Oh. DJ Robert got the hoes in the You don't know me. He don't know me. No, you don't. Oh, yeah, he's crucified. I'm blocked in. Thought about it. I knew you was gonna go. I knew you was gonna go right there. You trying to do the same thing I
That nigga fam. Dumbass fam. How you looking, DJ, bro?
Fuck, I done burned my eyes. What is it?
I put that back over.
I'm on the camera over here now.
You went up. You went up. I ain't gonna cheat. Yeah, I know you're not gonna cheat. Oh. Alright. Follow. Oh yeah, he killed. I got it. Oh my God.
Come on.
Go. You can't hang here. Go. My turn. Go. You ain't good.
Yes, sir, baby. Now, let's get it.
Man, you ain't do nothing either. Oh shit. I know you tripping, Tommy. Why would you do this? I would. Nigga, I had this bitch in Arizona.
Where you going slow?
DJ Rory got the holes in the street. Man, stop him. I'm not around. Man, on that bitch like this, my nigga. Ooh. I want the camera when I do. Ooh. Oh shit! Oh shit! Knock me down! Oh shit! Is my turn? Yeah. Devin? Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna hit that bitch.
I was about to go up. I thought you told him you gonna go up because you tried to do that last time. Come on. That one.
Let's go ahead.
To a little. Nigga was Jewish, how much you might?
Say DJ? You ain't gonna flip him?
Them bitches look good though.
Oh.
Give him a no. Give him 1-800. One piece, yeah.
673. Sexual assault hotline.
Man, move. Self barrel. I'm out of review. My dog should go fast.
Hey, look.
Jerry.
Put that camera on me, son. Hey, you know what's going on, my nigga? I'm out here, bro. Every day, 24/7, son.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yeah. Real talk.
That guy got a girlfriend.
This going in the street much.
Hey, I ain't gonna play defense, bro. I ain't lying. Hey, look. He the last, bro. He the last. Hey, look. Hey, this nigga haven't smoked pussy since 1894. Bro, I'll pay for it. If y'all want to fuck him, come on, bro. I'll pay for it. I'll pay for it on
But
my
y'all
mama.
only can ride, dude.
Yeah, you only can ride.
Ain't got enough of all that shit.
You can't get your back shots or nothing. I'm like, Jerry, did you put her in here? What the fuck?
Why you trying to change the subject?
There you go, vlog up.
That nigga trying to change the subject.
Gotta change the subject, nigga. They look stupid as a bitch.
In the clip. In the clip.
Gotta change the subject. Nigga, they look stupid as a bitch. No.
Hey, this is all my work. Merch. These bitches right here, all my work.
Oh yeah,
Look
whatever.
at that shit.
That bitch gonna be crushing. Just let that bitch smoke on that a little bit more longer. That bitch about to be
Hold on, let me get burn the camera. Oh yeah, bitch. That's how we do it, B. That's how we do it. Well, this how it be after a long distance. I feel it.
I like chewing on that phone.
I feel it.
So nobody heard this, man.
Man, you gonna get that on my face?
Nobody heard.
Oh shit. Shit. What we finna hit it with?
What this do?
I was putting the fire up. Let the head smoke. Hey, go grab some paper, please, from out the house.
Come on, man. Get to y'all when we do the review.
It's a burnt piece. I burned that bitch on purpose.
Man, how that bitch taste, brother?
That's just a little burnt piece.
How that bitch taste?
It's just gonna taste like smoke.
That'll be good, man.
Real reviews all hood. Catch and cook. Grab that bitch right there.
Who I'm getting? You getting P Jizzle?
I'll use somebody else, please.
Man, you tell. That nigga save him
Smell that.
Man.
Man, it's quiet right now. Hear a song.
No, that piece was connected right there.
Hold up, we. Hold up, bro. You gotta review that shit. You gotta review it.
You know my nigga Daryl be doing this thing early. Get a slight. What's up? What's your name? Fuck.
I got my plea right here. Me and Shamaz can share one.
Hey, look. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Okay, the high. And this what you mad.
And that's for you?
Fuck it. I'm gonna just.
Me and Shamaz can share one.
No, Chamae gonna be alright. He gonna. Well, no. I mean, Jahai gonna be alright. Jahai like that smoke. He like that smoke fish on the grill. Fuck.
Damn, DJ.
I'm sure.
Yeah, he looking for us.
Look, I'm gonna get you.
Why not?
Alright, what y'all rated?
I bet it's 10.
What you rated?
10 days. Bones is annoying.
What you rate that bitch?
8.5.
Alright, Shamaz, what you rate that bitch?
You can see that.
The bone is up.
Out of 10?
You can see that fucking butter.
8, 9.
You might say 8. Fuck you, bitch.
10 out of 10, man. Real views all hood. I rate that bitch a 9.5.
Hey.
You know what it's missing?
10, bro. What is missing?
Man, just missing some rice or some bread.
Bread.
Yes, bro. That's all it's
You
missing.
usually have a
That bitch will be a 10.
Niggas being lazy today.
Just going with that right there.
Somebody yank him up.
That bitch hungry.
Hey, go get it. Whatchamacallit out the house, man.
Whatchamacallit?
We'll get another plate. So
Would you review that bitch, bro? I ain't get you.
No. Hey, we already got one.
Alright,
Don't worry
bro.
them.
Man, every time we go fishing and come back home, and
You want to end this bitch right here?
Oh no, man, we got to hit this bit right here. Come here, Tub.
That's big enough for
We
everybody.
about to pick out this bitch, Jizzle.
we don't never
Everybody, we gonna pick out this bitch. Put that bit right there.
Everybody got 10 man fucking screwed up.
I'm gonna say that one for the
Cheers.
Hey, y'all, hey, this
Come on.
Come pick on this bitch, man.
Hold up.
Man, this
All the
is
juices, look, all the
Hey,
juices
what?
coming off
Oh,
that
no,
bitch.
no,
on
no,
my head.
no, but you can't do it. You gotta personally do that. Everybody probably don't want no house sauce on this shit.
man, everybody eat hot sauce.
I
Cameraman gotta eat.
don't want that, bitch.
What you doing? Cameraman gotta eat.
Hey, that bitch, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's done.
Read that bitch.
That better 10 out of 20.
All the bit 10. You read it, bro. No hot sauce.
I got you do with the hot sauce game.
No hot sauce, bro.
No hot sauce?
No hot sauce rating.
That bitch still a 10. I just fuck with the hot sauce, man.
10 Jerry's, bro.
Y'all be acting shy if y'all want.
10, bro.
Why acting shy me? You better not act shy. You'd have been looking at you.
That be cool. Get that bitch a 9. That bitch Shamaz is looking. Get you a piece, bro.
Never.
They got one right here.
How the fuck is gone?
Let me see.
Get a piece, bro. Now read it.
I read it already, bro. It's a 10.
Oh, all right.
All right.
Signing out. And say, bro.
Man, today was a good day, bro. Next time we pop out, we gonna do even better, brother. We gonna really add. We gonna go out that bitch early in the morning and tell them.
Hey, we was catching Z's this morning, ain't no lie.
But wait.
Everybody was in this sleep.
Boy, that motherfucker beautiful, boy.
But still, we still had a successful day. Catch and cook. Even though Jared sold with the fish down. Turn that bitch out, DJ.
Oh, sorry, now you know what it is, man. DJ, yeah, get in with us. Whole lot of fish and shit, whole lot of cooking.
That's it for this video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Y'all tap in on everybody Instagram, you know? I'll go tap in.
I don't got IG.
That nigga lying. I'm gonna put his Instagram right there.
Motion, whole been shit chain by my homie. A lot of people went around when I ain't that shit. No, all them days on my lonely. She wanna hang out. First thing we fought was camo. Rub band, got bang roll. Bitch still in the hood, I'm the same old shit. Bitch want fuck me cause I got motion. Whole been shit chain by my homie. A lot of people went around when I ain't that shit. Remember all them days on my lonely. Don't need no bitch, it's solo. Two things to play on with your hoe. Can't wait no time thinking about my